Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to do an updated how I cover my edges routine. In this video, I'm actually partnered with Kertine, which is a company out of France, and they sent me a product to try and to show you guys how it works. Now look, when I got it, I was really excited. I tried it immediately. And y'all, when I tell you this thing works, it is the bomb. If you all have been following me any amount of time, then you know that I have a previous video that I did of how I cover my thin edges. I have had thin edges pretty much all my life, and I have come up with different ways to cover them up over the years, even using different oils and products to try to grow them in. But when it came to my hairstyles and when I needed a fix right away, then I would try mascara and eyeliner and all type of things, and they work temporarily. But I'm so happy to announce that I think I really found something that will help me with these edges and that's gonna last. So Kertine, again, is a company out of France, and what they have are hair fibers, spray on fibers. Yes, y'all, I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it works. I have tried it. I've used it several times, and I wanted to use it to make sure it worked before I came on and showed you all. So what I'm going to do for you today is demonstrate exactly how it works. I'm going to use the black and the dark brown, so then maybe you can kind of tell the difference and see which one will work for your hair. And then if you like it and want to try it, of course there will be a link in the description box for you to go ahead and check it out. So let me just show you everything that the package came with. You'll get your spray fibers. You'll also get a setting spray. So once you put on your fibers, you're going to set it with the setting spray. And then this is your pump sprayer to actually apply the fibers. This is really genius. When I tell you non-messy, you don't have to worry about getting it all over your hand. Just spray it directly onto the affected areas and you're good to go. So we're gonna start with the black. So when you open it up, there's actually a cap here that you'll have to remove. And once you remove that, you'll see the fibers inside. It's pretty much like a powder consistency. And then you're gonna take your pump sprayer and you're just gonna twist it right on top. Just like that. Okay, so now we're ready to apply. So you're just gonna hold the pump sprayer about maybe an inch away from the area. And you see my thinning is definitely all along my perimeter here. You don't have to pump really hard, just give it a couple of soft taps and then the fibers will begin to spray out. So the good thing about this is you can spray as little or as much as you like. I like to keep mine looking as natural as possible, so I'm not going to completely fill it in, but y'all can see the difference. We have a winner, okay? And then after you spray that, you're just going to use your setting spray. And then that will adhere your fibers in place. Now you want to be careful because sometimes if you get a little too close, it'll cause like spotting, but there is still a way to remedy that. You just get your brush, and if you want to go through and just lightly stroke through to even it out, boom. Bomb, y'all. Bomb. Bomb, okay? When I told y'all, like, we have a winner. We have a winner. All right, so now I'm gonna move to the other side. And on this side here, the same thing. You can see I have a lot of thinning. And now I'm gonna try the brown. that's it. You spray it, you set it, and that's it. Now for me, I just take it one extra step further. You guys know that I like my edges to be really sleek. So what I do, I get my Eco Styler gel, and then I just put a little bit on my edges. This will not hurt. It will not take off the application. You just dab it a little there, and then swoop your edges in and create your baby hairs like you would normally do. All right, guys, that is it. I am so excited about this product. Y'all will definitely be seeing it in my upcoming hair tutorials. Thank you for Kertine for sending me this product and allowing me to try it out. Again, if you all are interested, you can just go into the description box and click the link, and then you can purchase it for yourself. So if y'all have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the next one.